May I come in, sir?
Yes, I mean,
So, have a seat.
yes.
Thank you.
With whom I'm talking?
This is Nazmul Hassan.
Oh, Mr.
I'm from
Nazmul, where are you from?
Naranganj. I come from Naranganj.
So, why do you want to go to abroad?
I want to go to abroad because this provide a handsome salary and good education, and I want to learn money and I want to support my family. That's why I want to go to abroad.
Could you please say something about yourself?
Thank you, sir. This is Nazmul Hassan. I'm come from Naranganj and my home district Brownbaria and Bansarampur. My father name is Abdul Wajid and my mother name is Hamida Khatun, and I'm the last one in my family. We are five brother and two sister in my family.
So, say something about your job experience. What was your last job?
I have 3 years job experience, and last job experience is the garments related jobs, and this name of the Simba Fashion Limited in situated in Naranganj, EPZ, EPZ.
Okay. So,
Were you be the permanent job? Was it a permanent job or is this a temporary job?
It was a temporary job because
You are a contractual job, right?
yeah, I want to when I search and permanent job, and I want to go to abroad.
What sort of job you are seeking for in abroad?
Mm,
What
what's
type of job you're looking for in abroad?
I looking for job such as executive and factory related job and such as garments related job. I search by looking for this job.
Did you get your education level same as your profession?
Sorry, sir.
Was your education and your job related to each other?
Yes,
Are they both same?
both is same education as job related is same search.
Okay, fine. Why should you? So far as we know, Bangladesh has a handsome pays a handsome salary to the executives in the Arabic sectors. So why should you want to live here?
Thank you, sir. Bangladesh is actually a good handsome salary, but I want to I want to support my family and more. There is not actual in support because Bangladesh expense is very high. That's why in Bangladesh and same work as I want to go abroad as same work as my salary will be high range. So that's why I support my family and I want to do something my society or country. That's why I want to go to abroad.
Okay, yeah, and, the thing is, how many family? I don't know whether you are married or not. Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
How many kids do you have?
My one kids. That's
You
the
have one
is that
kid.
I'm
Okay.
gonna son nine.
So, how will they stay beside you?
How they decide to my actually
I'm saying this because as you have only kid
जी जी जी
and
so
you're the youngest of your family, and the thing is, won't they miss you some sort of?
no yeah, actually my family support my family will look after my younger sister my elder brother stay with along with my family. There is no problem why when I stay abroad.
Are there any members, family, friends, or relatives stays in Europe?
No, I'm not no relative, but no family stay in Europe.
Okay, so thank you very much.
okay,
Yes, sir.
5 years later, in which position do you want to see yourself?
Thank you, sir. After 5 years later, I will be myself, and this position is the upgrade up to 10 or 20% high, and I want to some say 20,000, and I want to salary my 1 lakh and 150 lakh, and That's why I support my family or support my society. That's why I will be able, I would want to support my family.
What was your last experience?
Last,
Did you mention that in CV?
sorry, sir.
Did you mention that in your CV? That's your experience?
I experience was accounting and one of a garments related job, and I am a
What was
production
your last
accounts.
job? What was your last job?
I job was executive in garment sector.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. Mr. Aslam. Thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum.